Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today really I came with a very beneficial, productive, informative and knowledgeable video. Yesterday in the evening I was passing through a street near my residence. A friend who was coming towards me asked me a question: what is the best cosmetic for beauty? Since he was not having the time, that is why I could not explain it clearly, but what I know about the answer of the question I want to explain through the video. And definitely the person who was my friend is still living nearby me, but he is not having time. He is busy nowadays, so definitely whenever he get time, he will watch the video and receive the answer. Once more I want to repeat the question: what is the best cosmetic for beauty? People think that regarding the question, a lots of the cosmetic item, cosmetic cream, soap, shampoo. Some other people think about the medicine, protein, carbohydrate, fibers, vitamins, minerals and many more things one should use to grow their beauty. But what I think regarding the question, this is not the correct answer, because to eat nutritious food, balanced diet, it means in diet there must be some item of fruits, green vegetables, milk or milk product, bread, pulse, cereals and many more things. These are not possible for each and every person living in our society. So answer should be like that thing should be available to all of us. Either we belongs to the rich family or belongs to the economically poor family. That should be the common answer. So I thought deeply about the answer for this question and find out the answer that happiness is the best cosmetic for beauty. Happiness is the things which are not available in market, which cannot be seen. It is not the physical things that could be seen or that could be purchased from the market or from anywhere. It is our thought, it is our thinking, it is our way of living, way of doing, lifestyle which make us happy and always enable us to remain in a smiling face, a smiling status. We also know that a smiling face attracts the other, and we can get positive response if you are having the smiling face from any other people. Our most of the problems occurs not only the common problem, but sometimes we have to face new problems also, because of we are not having the smiling face, we are not having the happy mood, and we always live in tension because of the work burden, workload. So we look old before the old age. There are wrinkles on our face and other parts of the body, or we can say in a skin. This is because of not having a smiling face or not having the happy attitude, happy mood. So happiness is the best medicine, happiness is the best cosmetic to grow beautifulness, to grow attractive status. happiness, it creates from our heart, it creates from our thought. If we laugh, or if you are having the smiling face or laughing attitude, not laughing on other, not laughing on bad things, not laughing on the critical situation of other, natural things, we should always create the moment which make our life easy and a smiling or laughing situation. Laughing is the best medicine to overcome the common diseases. A smiling, always living in a smiling attitude, a smiling face, overcome a lots of the tensions and lots of the common diseases like tension, high blood pressure. Most among us spend the sleepless night, and if they having the smiling face, if they having the happy attitude, mood, definitely these kinds of the problem will be sorted automatically. Most among us are not satisfied with what they have, so they always follow the shortcut routes, they always follow the illegal path and the path which are really hidden, or the work which cannot be done openly. So they always live in fear. Their smiling face is also always going from them. So they never come in peace, and these types of people, number of these types of people in our society are a lots. So I want to say through this video, if you want to live the happy life, if you want to grow our beauty, not only externally but also internally, we should follow the way of happiness. If we need to sacrifice something to get the happiness, it is the cheapest thing. It is the most cheapest thing, and we will be in beneficial. So sacrifice all the things through which by sacrifice we can get the happiness. We can remain in peace, because we should also know that peace is more costlier than happiness. Peace is more costly than money, more costly than assets, physical asset. So if we have to lose something, physical asset, money and some other things to get the happiness, definitely we should do it. Happiness or a smiling face or laughing always keep us energetic, both mentally and physically, and we always feel more energetic to do any kinds of the work. If we put our whole heart, energy, mind and concentration over the work, then definitely we get the productive result, we get the positive result from the deeds. So a smiling not only keep us healthy, peaceful, prosperous life, but also grow our relation with the others. It also overcome our enemy. It also grow the good relation which has already been broken. So the real purpose of life for taking birth on this earth is to collect happiness, is to collect peaceful moment. Peaceful moment, peaceful situation is possible only when we live in happy, when we live in peace, and that peace can only be had by sacrificing something. For sacrification here means sacrification of greeds, sacrification of selfishness, jealousness, anger, and growing of helping attitude, developing of helping attitude, positive thinking, not having the attitude of harming the others, lose all the things which proves as a resistance in the way of getting the collecting the peace and happiness. Laughing or happiness makes a lots of our internal organs to come in motion, come in activity, because due to our lifestyle, due to our modern lifestyle, most of the internal organs are almost sleeping mode or almost half dead mode. We can say that if that organs could not be active, then we never get happiness, we never get energy, we never feel energetic. So once more I want to say, happiness is the best cosmetic to grow beautifulness, to grow peaceful, to grow relation among the others. Laughing is best exercise. It comes through the happiness. It always realize the real meaning of life. It make us enable to grow the features of humanity, best lifestyle, how it can be availed in this modern age, because around all over us there is a pollution, not only natural pollution but also the man-made pollution. So at every cost we should have the happiness. It is now become most urgent, most needful things. So I think the answer for that question can be obtained from this video. And if you are watching this video and like it, subscribe it by pressing the bell button and also send me the comment. Thank you.